Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a full guide on how to start a contact in WhatsApp chat. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're in the WhatsApp application, navigate to the chat where the contact you want to star is located. Step 3. Within the chat, locate the specific contact that you want to star. Step 4. To star the contact, tap on the star icon located at the top of the screen. This action will mark the contact as starred, indicating its importance or significance. By following these 4 simple steps, you can easily star a contact in your WhatsApp chat. Starring a contact allows you to quickly access and find important conversations. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.